2019 Cadillac XT5. Swap in the front brake pads. Wheel is off, and the cap, open up the cap so the liquid will go up easier. No any special tools requires, just prime it if you have access. If you have any holes in your caliper, just prime it gently with screwdriver. Look at that. No special tools required. A little more. You can even prime it right here, just don't snap any significant parts like that. And let's get this caliper off. So 17 mil. Boom. You don't even need to take the whole thing out. I'm gonna put box under, so all this dirt gonna fall not on the driveway but on in the box. There you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh wow. Okay. Alrighty. On the other side, this indicator that makes that sound, it's already touching the rotor. So rotor is good. If you look at the thickness of it, it is pretty good. You can change those things, why not, those metals. But before we go any further, I always like to match. Always like to match. Okay, the brake pads. Yep. Oh, purple nurple. Okay. Let's see. Yep. Looks same. Yep, looks same. Boom, she is in. Do it same thing with this. Oh man, this is easy. Thank you, GM. I guess this is one thing good about it. You know what? I want to put the indicator on this side, can I? No, I can't. It has to be on the other side. Easy, my goodness. Let's see. Oh my, okay. And this is the most easiest brake caliper system thing I ever worked with. Thank you, GM, twice. Booyakasha. It's done. It is done. It's not done. I got too excited. I forgot to put a little spring wire. Okay. There you go. Ah, there you go. That's where it's at. That's where I need my second hand. So once I put it, the spring that helps the pads to spread, then I'm gonna pick up the cell phone again. Okay, springs is on. Now I'm gonna gently put the caliper over it. There we go. Take two. Now I can get excited. On the other side, Always put a wheel under the car for safety purposes if you have just one jack. Okay, cap is off from the brake fluid reservoir. Slowly. See how easy is that? Goodness. Boom, no tools required. I never put any degrease on this area or here. I'm trying to keep it as dry as it's possible, because after half a year it's just gonna collect all the dust and all the debris from the road. So me personally, I don't lube her at all. You can also squeeze the cylinder in like that with a wrench. Again, let's not to forget about the little springs. It is on. Okay, so wheel is on, and please make sure you don't forget to put that cap back. Let's climb inside. Start in vehicle and give a couple pumps. And when you're gonna start driving, please be very careful. Don't slam on the brake immediately in front of car. Just give a couple, pumps before. Give yourself a distance. Also, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a likes and subscribe, so that way I might be able to probably make a payment for my Hollywood acting classes.